I've got a really interesting little woodworking project for you today. Look just as good in your garden, in your porch, or on your mantelpiece. It's going to take about half an hour to build, and you can make them out of 6x1, 5x1, or even a piece of pallet wood, as I'm going to do. For this project, I'm just going to cut out all the nails and then we'll make use of what's left. I'm just going to give them a really quick clean up with a coarse grit sandpaper. I like leaving some of the saw marks in. I think it adds character, and this is going to be a really rustic piece and can be used in the garden. What we want to do is we want to take the width of our board. In this case it's 126mm, which is almost bang on 5 inches, and we're going to make some squares, 2 of them. We're also going to want 2 squares around 90mm, which is around 3.5 inches. So I'm going to rip this down to 3.5 inches. Going to take one of the small blocks and the 2 big blocks, and we're going to put an OG edge all the way around on one side. I need 4 strips around 5 inches long or 13cm. So I'm going to rip this down so that it's square, and I'm going to do another one off of one of the offcuts. I also need a strip around about 1/2 inch. So I'm going to cut these down to 5 inches, and I need 4 of those, as I say. Right, before I start the assembly, I'm going to give them all a quick sand over, soften all the edges. You don't need to see that. I'll come back when it's done. So what we just need to do is loads of glue. Now you can let this dry, or you can just go straight in with it. I'm going to put a few brad nails in just to secure it whilst the glue dries. And I'm just eyeballing it. It's not massively important it's accurate, just roughly. It ends up a really lovely rustic piece. Just wipe off some of the excess glue. And again, I'm just going to eyeball it. So I've got this chunkier piece of pallet wood here. I'm going to cut a little piece off and I'm going to make sort of an oval. Likes and comments really help support the channel. They let YouTube know that you are enjoying the video. There will be free plans available for this project, but it's going to take me a few days. I've got a really busy couple of days ahead. So if you leave a comment to let me know that you're interested in them, I'll give you a heads up as soon as they're ready. And now what we're going to do is stick that on top of there. Through there. So whilst that's drying, what we're going to do, we're going to use the 1/2 inch strip that we cut and we're going to put a little Roman OG on that. So there you go, 2 DIY rustic farmhouse style candle holders. You could put LED tea lights in these, but I have had a proper candle in there for about 20 minutes burning. It got a little bit warm, but nowhere near hot enough to catch fire. All made from scrap wood, probably around £15 price mark each, so around $20, $21. If you want more easy DIY projects, check out this link right here.